You've got to check out this YouTube channel. They've recently uploaded 32 videos and gained over 30,000 subscribers. They're producing motivational content with a unique spin. Top-tier AI-generated voices, scripts, and not just your usual clips, but anime-style visuals that are edited creatively. Guess what? Even a 15-year-old could dive into this niche and start earning money on YouTube. Step 1 is finding engaging topics that really grab the audience's attention. Start by looking at similar videos and noting what types of videos get the most views. Once you know what's working for them, you can simply copy the transcript and paste it to ChatGPT and ask to rephrase it. And voila, ChatGPT will generate a script that sounds natural and human. No awkward intros. Step 2, the voiceover. This is a key part of the process, especially for motivational videos. You want the voice to feel personal and genuine. You can use AI to generate realistic voices. I recommend using 11 Labs for this. Sign up and you'll get free credits. Choose from various voices and select the one that fits for you. For motivational content, you'll want a voice that sounds inspiring and engaging. After you're happy with it, just export the voiceover and it's ready to go. Step 3 is finding anime clips, which can be tricky. You have two options here. You can either find existing clips or create your own. Pinterest is a great resource for free clips. If you're not sure what to look for, ask ChatGPT. You can also find clips on Pixabay, but remember to keep each clip to about 3 to 4 seconds. You can also use Leonardo AI to get anime-style content. Ask ChatGPT for anime image prompts and simply paste it there. Finally, it's time for step 4, editing. I like to use CapCut AI for editing. Upload your voiceover, images, and music to the platform. Place your voiceover on the timeline, add effects and transitions. Don't forget to generate auto captions for your text and choose an animation style to make it pop. And finally, make sure your background music isn't too loud. Lower its volume as you continue editing. Once you're happy with how everything looks, export the video and your motivational masterpiece is ready to share.